Twitter Connector loads data from the Twitter API into your QlikView and QlikSense applications. The Twitter Connector allows you to extract data from Twitter, such as tweets based on a search term or hashtag, and information about users. You can find the Twitter Connector on the Qlik Web Connector page. Select one of the tables from the list. In this video, we will demonstrate how to run a simple query using the Search Simple table. Click on the Authenticate button and you will be redirected to the Twitter authorization page. If you are already logged into your account, click on the Authorize App button. Twitter will return a PIN number. Copy and paste it into the Qlik Web Connector page. Now we can define the query parameters. In the Twitter developer documentation, you will find instructions on how to define your query. In this example, we want to know how often QlikSense appears in tweets. Set the max number of search pages and then click Save Inputs and Run Table to run the query. The Qlik Twitter Web Connector will send a search request to Twitter for that search term. The results will be shown in the Data Preview section. Select the QlikSense tab and copy the generated code. Open QlikSense and create a new app. Open the Data Load Editor and insert the code generated by the Qlik Web Connector. After you insert your code, load the data into QlikSense. The Twitter data are now available in QlikSense, and you can use them in your analysis. That concludes this video. Thanks for watching.